beautiful afternoon, or is it evening, depending on where you're gonna watch my video from. Welcome to the Z Diaries. I've been posting videos, but for some time now I've not been talking in my videos, in my vlogs. But today I decided to talk a bit. Yeah, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thanks for showing up. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for also showing up. It's a sign that you're enjoying my content, and I promise to bring you the very best. To really enjoy my content, you do what watch it via your TV screen. Yeah, via your TV screen, you get to enjoy it nicely. Yeah, so I'm gonna have my hair cut. I'm going to do my hair. Hey, is that proper English? I'm going to do my hair. Is that proper English? That's why they say English. In Zambia we say Tsungu Naka boat. Meaning English came by the boat. Because English is not your friend. You may think you're speaking good English, yet you're not speaking good English. So welcome to my channel. Hit that notification bar, ring that bell so that you get some good content on the Z Diaries. Yeah, so sit back, relax. Like I always say, let's have some fun. So I cut my hair with $1. $1. My haircut costs about $1. In Zambian kwacha, that's about 20 kwacha. But dollar is about the $1. That's how I cut my hair. That's how much I'm charged for cutting my hair. But the other places where it's a bit expensive, other places it's $5, depending on the location of the barber man. But for me, I go to a guy, he knows how to cut my hair. I just walk in the barber shop, and he knows the hairstyle I like. And I love the guy because there's tour. We get to chat and have some fun. We get to talk about soccer. He's a Man City supporter. I'm Newcastle. Yeah, and we laugh about who's winning the EPL and whatnot. Yeah, that's why I like that guy. And it's a friendly environment.
Awalikuwa kawariki okulanda watalika sana. Amani yu ati mulema wakati namutea. mutekanye. Kwene team for this one. Mutekanye zabali na club world cup ku bali no nomba bali cyane. Afa muyumvati yo mwali myapo kire kikombe twalimishe. Bali landati.
Kwambira kumilolero.
Acho babashirira manyu bali tetibaseni.
Kwiza tetibamisende mutte muri ba champion.
Tetibwa champion. Mwe wa champion padifu.
Nomba. Tibamisende tibasende timu lishali champion.
Mani te tuma timu twakupanga kalido bakashira shira yoke ka mani ka timu sofi. Nika Chelsea twakeni kanisa nika Chelsea ka bakamishe fin. Big shop ile ku plan first. Shira mapu pa okay. Twalambira pesa foundation chain twimbi. Ngodi. What's stopping up? Ni hapa sote.
Mama Iman, machine search beach. Ndamusha.
Post da chira kwata mara nekatibu ya chira kwata mara chira chitu ya kale. Nibana samutiana yo. Iwe tia.
Abantu